And special thanks to our friends over at 4Smarts who were nice enough to send us this 10,000 milliamp hour power bank with integrated USB-C cable. This has 30-watt fast charge. It's good for a phone or tablet, has an LCD display and a USB Type-C port, and you can charge 2 different devices at once. Designed with love in Germany by 4Smarts. Got just what comes in the package here. Space gray color, ready for airplane, ultra compact, 15 centimeter cable length. So it's a 5.9 inch cable length, almost 6 inches. And just the sticker and specs here on the back. Very nice box, I think. Like one of the nicer recycled boxes that I've seen before. Let's open it up. Oh, nice. And slide it on out. So there's our power brick, some pamphlets. That's just cardboard and nothing else in here. So we have a little user's manual with safety precautions and everything. And this is a pamphlet about 4Smarts, the brand. They're a Germany-based company. So it does include a USB-A to USB Type-C connector. That's pretty nice of them. And then this is the 30-watt fast charge power bank. So as you can see, you've got a little button here. It comes with 70% charge out of the box. Hopefully that shows up on camera. Got a little 4Smarts logo here, and there is a USB Type-C port. So if you needed a regular cable to plug in, you could plug this in, you get a little blue light, and then you're able to take a standard USB-A cable and plug in to there, like so. Now, the other way is through this loop. So if you look here, you're actually able to pull this out, and voila, now you've got a whole USB-C cable that's built right into it. So you could just take this, set it down, take whatever USB-C device you have, plug into here, and voila, we are charging rapidly. I'd be full in 38 minutes from this little 30-watt charger. You can even see it has a little indicator there telling me that I'm fast charging, and then I could also still take this side, plug this in, and plug in a USB-A device and be charging 2 devices at once, which does take this down from rapidly charging to just charging. So that's going to split it from 30 watts down to only 15 max on each one. But without this, as soon as I unplug it, we're back to charging rapidly. And then of course, when you're done charging, you're able to unplug this and essentially just kind of pull your cable back through and bam, pop it back in, and now you're ready to go. You can see here the maximum output is 30 watts, and it looks like it's 30 watts in as well as 30 watts out, and this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Thanks again to our friends over at 4Smarts who were nice enough to send this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.